We'll guide you through how to force turn off an iPad or force restart an iPad. If you find this useful and it meets your needs, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're running into a problem with the iPad. Often doing either of these can go and resolve the problem when it comes back on. So make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. So what you can do is you can go and do the force turn off and it will remain completely powered off until you decide to power it back on. Or we can do the force restart where it will turn off and then automatically come back on immediately. We're going to guide you through first of all doing the force shutdown. So what you want to do is go and look at the top of your iPad. You want to go and rotate it so you've got the volume rockers over to the left. They're in the top left here with the side button there as well. Then what you want to do is go and press the volume on the left, then the right, and you tap and hold the button. Now, if your iPad's not frozen, you're going to see this screen here. If it is frozen, you won't see it. It's just going to remain the same. Keep it held down. Now release and start holding down the power down button and the left volume button again. Then once it goes black, let go. The iPad is now powered off and it's not going to come back on until you go and power it back on. So that's the first way. And so when you want to go and turn it back on, you just tap and hold the side power button. Shortly, you're going to see the Apple icon. It's now starting again. So that's the first way. And the second way I'm going to show you is doing a force restart, which is very similar. So we'll just go and wait for this to come back on. It shouldn't be much longer. Here we are. So if you want to go and do the force restart, what we're going to do is press the left volume button, then the right, and tap and hold the side button. And we're then going to go and keep it held down. Once again, if the iPad is frozen, it won't go and change. Just keep it held down and it's going to go black. And you can then release when you go and see the Apple icon. And that's it. It's now going to automatically come back on and it's not going to remain powered off.